So, hi together. One of the frequently asked questions we got here is, why should I use a SoM from F&S? So maybe first, Andy, can you answer us what is SoM and why should I use a SoM?
Oh, of course. Thanks, Moritz, for introduction. So let's get started with the single board. This is our Armstone single board, Pico ITX board. So it's ready to use off the shelf. So all the interfaces, all the connectors are there. You can use them, but you may end up in problems. You want to have a connector on a different side, or you want to add more functions from your application on the board. So you're limited with a single board concept. So the idea of system on module and a carrier board is that you kind of decouple let's say the more tricky development of the SoM, where you have a 10-layer PCB and you have to know how the CPU works, the PMIC memory, all these high-speed signaling is going to be a little tricky. So you can leave the design of this with us. We make sure that everything is tested and ready to use. And then there is less complexity on the carrier board. So a customer can design their carrier board having maybe 4 layers of the PCB instead of having a 10-layer. And you have the full flexibility to have your interfaces wherever you want. And next argument is that once you have done your carrier board, you can use then within our board families different type of performance levels. So let's say we have our Pico Core module. So we have a range from i.MX6 up to i.MX9, whole bunch of different board. And you can exchange. So depending on your product, you can start with a low level and then extend later to a high performance CPU. Yeah, that's more or less the concept of single board and carrier board.
Okay, so the second question is, why should you use such a SoM from F&S? So what I can say, F&S will deliver you a whole package. So we have done perfect hardware design, software which fits perfectly to this hardware. And in addition to this, we offer a lot of support. But not only this, we also, every module we ship to you, we produce it in our own manufacturing. So this is good in terms of if we have a loop back from the production to the development. So we have always a good component which can be produced perfectly in our house, but also which you can perfectly use in your system. In addition to this, we have a so-called project guarantee. So this means we not only deliver you some hardware with a software BSP, we want to help you in your whole project. So this begins when you have a new device, you want to start, we help you to choose the right SoM, we help you to develop your software for your device, and we help you to have additional features like security features, for example, how to implement the over-the-air update, things like this. And to come to a fast time to market, we will help you. But not only this, we will support you the whole lifetime of your device. So this means our products will be available at least 10 years. We tried to make it more than 50 years or even longer. And if we see some part, for example, the CPU gets end of life, we will inform you. That means you don't have to worry, oh no, there's something wrong and after 10 years I have to develop a new product. No, we want to get a second SoM which is pin compatible, so you can use a newer CPU, a newer SoM. We still help you with implement it into your device, but you don't have to do all the development of your device completely new. So this is what we call a whole package, what we want to deliver you. So to treat you as a good customer of us. I hope this helps. But now, how can you contact us? Maybe Andy, can you give us some tips?
Yeah, sure. You want to make sure that you get in contact with us. So number one, of course, we do have our webpage, so you can check, you get all the information, you get all the data sheets, manuals, it's all there. And parallel, we run our own technical forum.
Yeah.
So our technical guys make sure whatever you post, you will get response same day. A lot of our customers are also active there. So if you have questions or you just want to post something on your own, just use that. And you can check out our YouTube channel. Of course, we are on LinkedIn. So I think there is a whole bunch of ways to get in contact with us. So just Google for FNS Embedded and you will find us.